The tensionable knotless Remplissage technique utilizes a trans-tendon anchor insertion approach, eliminating suture passing steps and negating the need for subacromial space visualization. Standard posterior, antero-superior, and antero-inferior portals are created. A needle is inserted laterally, 1 to 2 centimeters from the posterior cannula, targeting the center of the Hill-Sachs defect between the proposed superior and inferior anchor locations. A switching stick is inserted against the posterior capsular tissue. A dilator and 7 mm threaded cannula are then placed over the switching stick, passing through the deltoid muscle and stopping short of the infraspinatus tendon and posterior capsular tissue. The cannula is swiveled to separate the deltoid muscle from the infraspinatus tendon. While an assistant holds the cannula to prevent it from backing out, the inferior anchor is inserted first. The drill guide with sharp trocar is placed through the posterior soft tissue against the humeral head near the medial edge of the defect. A 1.8 mm drill prepares the bone socket, and a knotless 1.8 FiberTak soft anchor is inserted. Prior to removing the anchor inserter and drill guide, the cannula is pushed down to confirm it's just above the infraspinatus. Hold the sutures of the anchor against the side of the cannula and insert the drill guide once again to a more superior location and in line with the posterior capsule. After both anchors are inserted, clamp both sets of sutures separately to avoid tangling. Attention is switched to the anterior Bankart lesion, using knotless 1.8 FiberTak soft anchors for the repair. Returning to the remplissage procedure, interconnect the anchors by shuttling the repair sutures of each anchor to the opposite anchor using the loops of the FiberLink sutures, creating a knotless double pulley mattress stitch configuration. Alternate tension by pulling sequentially on the repair sutures of each anchor to reduce and compress the posterior soft tissue into the Hill-Sachs defect. This completes the tensionable knotless Remplissage technique with Bankart repair using knotless FiberTak anchors.